Right, I'm just going to see if she'll fire up. She's been sitting roughly without being started up for about 6 months, but it's been sitting a lot longer than that. Right, I'm going to give it a go. I'll just put this on the tripod and see if it'll fire up. For about 7 years now. I'm going to shut that. Yeah, I've owned a car for about 7 years. I did want to pull it out the garage today, but unfortunately we got white stuff coming down, so that ain't happening. I haven't driven it much, to be quite honest, because work commitments, family commitments, this, that and the other. But yeah, I've got this, I've got a couple of other toys. This little beastie hasn't moved since 2011. That's a VXR 220 turbo. I think it's got stage 2 or 1 on it, something like that. I don't know. That's a little weapon, but trying to get it all back together, trying to get everything on the road. Obviously, got this beastie here and that little beastie under there. What I'm going to do, I'm going to start trying to do some videos. Obviously, I'm going to do a cold start of this beast. I know that will start up. And we got this little thing under there. Classic. I will do a I won't say a cold start, I'll do a start if it will start, because she has been sitting a long time, but I want to try and get her on the road. I don't think she'll need too much to get her on the road, but yeah, running an MOT, but yeah, I definitely want to try and get her out this year. It's had an engine rebuild, power performance. That was done before I bought it. Red Rose. I think she's ended about 29,000 on her. But she's not mint, but it's a swordfish. And it looks a bit better outside. Obviously the chameleon paintwork. But yeah. She's a beast. Yeah, so I'm going to try and do some more videos, hopefully ASAP. I'll obviously get her out the garage, do some more videos, I'm going to take to MOT and other things like that, other bits and bobs I do to them, especially that out there, and maybe do some bits to this as well. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching my video. Hopefully put some more on soon. Cheers.